Ayan, so magandang araw mga kababayan, and this is Divine PH, and good news lang po tayo. Bali, ito po yung naganap bayan September 30. Ayan, in a significant move towards sustainable energy, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. inaugurates the ST Battalion or STB Gigafactory, the Philippines' first manufacturing plant for lithium iron phosphate batteries. Ayan. In a ceremonial switch on at the Philinvest Innovation Park in New Clark City, Tarlac. Ayan. Funded po ito by the Australian investment firm St. Baker Energy. This project was part of the investment commitments announced at the ASEAN-Australia Special Summit in March, during which President Marcos Jr. secured 86 billion worth of business deals. Ayan, so bago ko ituloy mga kababayan, naaalala nyo po ba nung mga nakaraang nag-travel si President Bongbong Marcos para umattend ng summit na sinasabi ng iilan, pag-alagala lang daw si PBBM at hindi nagtatrabaho. So ito po yung ilan sa mga katunayan na maraming mga investors ang naniniwala sa ating mahal na Pangulo. At ito nga po, inauguration na po nitong first ever na factory po na STB Giga. Ayan, lithium iron phosphate batteries. Dito po yan sa may New Clark City, Tarlac. Ayan. So, ito po yung worth 86 billion po ito na business deals na malaki pong maitutulong hindi lamang sa ating ekonomiya, syempre yung trabaho, yung oportunidad na magkaroon ng trabaho ang ating ilang mga kababayan, napakalaking bagay mga kababayan, no? Ayan, tuloy ko po the company aims to produce 2 gigawatt hours of batteries annually by 2030. This output is projected to support around 18,000 electric vehicles or nearly 500,000 home battery systems, positioning the Philippines as a key player in Southeast Asia's clean energy storage landscape. In addition to battery production, STB Giga plans to expand into the EV market, aligning with the administration's vision to develop a local EV industry and reduce dependence on imported fuels. Once STB Giga reaches its target capacity, the company will have invested around $35 million in the Philippines. Ayan. Bali, ito nga pong ST Battalion or STB Giga is the first ever kind in the Philippines dedicated to advanced lithium iron phosphate batteries. Marks a significant milestone in the country's renewable landscape. Ayan. Bali mga kababayan, ang potential po ng factoring ito, yan, potential economic impact, projecting an annual contribution of 5 billion to Philippine economy and the creation of 2,500 jobs for local communities. Pero yung mga kababayan, 2,500 yung mga kababayan nating Pilipinong magkakaroon ng trabaho, oportunidad na magkaroon ng trabaho. 2,500 po yan. Diba? Napakalaking tulong ito sa ating mga kababayang Pilipino. Ayan na. As the first manufacturing plant in the Philippines for advanced iron phosphate batteries, often used in renewable energy and electric vehicles, the STB Gigafactory sets the stage for the country to become a key player in clean energy storage in Southeast Asia in our region. Ayun po yung sinabi ko kanina. Ayan. Furthermore, in-emphasize si President Bongbong Marcos yung opportunities to nurture and promote homegrown talent, with STB Giga committing to enhancing local engineering expertise through partnership with academic and industry institutions. Ayan, bali after the inauguration nga po, nag-pledge during the Philippine Business Forum in Australia earlier this year, nung March, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, no? Showcasing a collaborative effort between the public and private sectors to drive sustainable development. Inurge din ni President Bongbong Marcos yung entrepreneurs and industry leaders to invest in the Philippines, assuring them of a robust infrastructure and a skilled workforce ready to support innovative ventures. Ayan. So mga kababayan, napakagandang po ito, no, opportunity para sa ating mga kababayan Pilipino dahil ito po yung magiging kauna-unahan na factory ng lithium phosphate iron. Ayan, nahuli yung iron, dapat gitna yung iron. So, hindi lamang po makakatulong to sa ekonomiya, no? Kasi tayo na mismo yung, kumbaga, magpo-produce. Hindi lang ito makakatulong sa pag-angat ng ating ekonomiya, makakatulong din ito sa ating mga kababayan dahil nga yung trabaho na maibibigay nito sa mga kababayan nating Pilipino, no? So napakalaking bagay nito and good news po ito mga kababayan. Na alam ko kakainisan at kakainisan and panigurado akong isasawalang bahala na naman ito ng mga kritiko ni President Bongbong Marcos. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, pag good news yan, pag alam nilang good news, yung ibinabalita mo, hindi ka nila pagsasalitaan ng hindi maganda. Kung ano-anong paninira lang ang sasabihin nila. Kasi syempre wala silang kumbaga maisagot good news Hindi naman nila pwedeng sabihin Duterte legacy. Diba? Hindi naman nila pwedeng sabihin na yun. Kaya ang gagawin nila niyan, kung ano-ano lang ang babanggitin nila para hindi nila mapansin or hindi nila totally pakinggan yung good news nga po na ito nga may panibagong factory po. At ito yung investment, yung sinasabi nila na pag-alagala si PBBM, ito na po yun, no? Unti-unti na pong nagbubunga yung pakikipag-uusap ni President Bongbong Marcos sa mga foreign leaders, sa mga foreign investors tuwing may travel siya. So napakalaking tulong nito sa ating bansa. So mga kababayan, good news po yan and i-share po natin ang video na to para mas maraming kababayan natin ang makaalam. So yun lamang po and maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.